Hey guys, it's Dale Walker. I'm on the mend. Well, it's a beautiful day. It's what is it? It's July something, mid-July. We're out here with the DL-650 again, 17 plus. Got a car coming. We're up on my favorite Sierra mountain pass here, about an hour from my shop in northern Nevada. It's my camera mount. My camera mount here that I made for my DL-1000. These bikes are really hard to mount cameras on, and this big chunk of Delrin does a really good job of vibration and stuff. It comes out pretty clear. I shoot it through to protect the camera through the screen still, so you get a little bit of distortion. And I don't know, I might take it off, but I'm going to make a couple videos. I'm going to take you for a ride today. A little bit of just cruise and a little bit of spirited. And anyway, we got the aero full system, we got the tuner, airbox mod, got some Harleys. We're ready to have some fun. So this thing runs really good now. I also have my camera finally set up with an external mic. It's mounted back here in the tail section right above the pipes. It's a little louder than it really is. And if you come back here, my buddy Kurt's filming for me. A Holeshot DB killer is in there. I finally have one machined just the right size, fits real nice, doesn't rattle or anything. Took me a couple tries. And so you'll be hearing that thing at full sing and just cruising. And then we'll have the Aero DB killer, which should be the quietest one, but it draws more power, and then you can take it out and you can get arrested because it's too loud. So anyway, I'm going to go up to the top of the mountain. There's a lookout at the top, and then I'll shut it off, and then I'll make a second video coming back down here. And we might move in a couple spots, get a couple different views, but I think you should enjoy it, and you'll see the thing and you'll hear it on the bike. The thing runs pretty strong for what it is. All right, have a good ride. Here we go.